Civilized adventure. Stay with us for part 2 tomorrow when we unlock the Joker's house. Alright, so we left off yesterday, if you guys remember, we did number 1, which is pretty darn cool. Show them how the money flies out.
Watch.
Cool. See how it goes? As soon as that happens, it's pretty cool. So you gotta put the money back here in the basket. Let me show them.
But this one is really...
Money in here, and then you go. Very good.
Guys, don't listen to Baba. This is the really cool part.
Oh, that is the cool part. That's the Joker's house, actually.
Yeah, nobody has the Joker's car.
Oh, it's Joker's car? I'm going back to work, guys. Let me know if you need me.
No, Batman, Joker's coming.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Well, I'm going to watch on my monitor for the Joker, and I'll see if I see him here.
Look, he's just paused. I'm bold.
Hey! What the heck?
$100. I'm sure. Wait. You put my gun on. Batman.
Where's the Joker? Is he in my hometown? Hey, you're not going to Gotham City.
Well.
What do you mean, well?
Yes, I was just expecting my gun. I'm gonna leave.
You can't leave. Get out of here. Hey, no. Throw a spike at you.
Ow.
Look at that.
See me?
They see me rolling. Hating. Patrolling. They trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Shoot me, Joker.
Thank you. She loved.
Alright guys, we're gonna jump into level 3. Let's go. Whoa, this is a hard one, I think. But let's do it with Bubba's supersonic speed. Whoa. We just put a wing on this boy, guys. Look at that wing. And it's all done, guys. Voila! The Wonder Girl has her weapon right here. Well, this is Joker's. This is Batman's area. Wonder Girl's area is back here. Oh, because they all have to show.
This is out.
Oh no, where'd this come from? Oh, this is a Batman for this. Who do you want to be?
I want to be whoever I want. I want to be the Wonder Girl and Joker, okay? So you'll be Batman, okay? That means?
Okay.
Okay, Joker.
Alright guys, I'm just working today in my office.
Batman!
Hey, what are you doing out here?
Joker's coming.
Now listen guys, comment below and tell me, what do you guys like the most out of this set? Do you guys like the Joker car with a green missile bomb? Do you like the boat we're building so far? Or do you like Batman's office? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I see you. Where are you going? Oh, the Joker's coming, guys. Can I use your weapon here? Darn it, I missed. Give me another bullet from your side.
Another bullet?
This one.
1 second.
Those are the bullets, give me them.
1 second.
I guess I'll just fight with my sword. Yeah. Thought you messed with the Joker, gang. Freeze, Batman.
Never mind. We have fun! We have fun, Baba!
What do you think you're doing here, Batman?
We have fun,
Didn't I
Baba!
tell you never to mess with me
We
again?
have fun, Baba!
Cool, we could use more bullets, but I'm not Bubba, I'm Joker right now. And Batman's on the floor. What are you doing out here, Batman? Didn't I tell you?
Hello.
You're gonna be in super big trouble.
Hello.
What did I tell you,
Who
Batman?
behind you, Joker?
Oh. No. What are you doing? I missed. Run. Ah.
Ow!
What?
Nothing.
Come on. Shoot me with your missiles.
Imagine these.
Distracted, I'm coming.
Boom.
Distracted Joker.
Boom.
Good job. I got him. Watch out.
Fire.
Pow! Right in the kisser.
One in the kitchen.
Get inside here. You're going to jail.
Ah, this is the problem.
No! Joker's in jail, guys. Let me know if you guys need anything else. I put him in my jail and I took away his gun, okay? His gun's going in my money box.
Ah!
Hey, get out of my house. What are you doing? I'm gonna take your car.
Boom! Boom! I need that off.
Hey! What are you doing? Batman!
No wonder. Hey! Oh, they're still playing yet.
Oh, let's go then. You're taking too long.
1 second. No, you missed me.
I shot you though.
No, you missed me.
Come back here, Joker.
Boom. Imagine this.
Come on! You're messing with Batman. Batman!
No wonder. Hey! Oh, they're still playing yet.
Oh, let's go then. You're taking too long.
These are display lava. That's not good.
Stop, lava! I'm coming to get you, Batman.
I'm right here. Come on, get me.
We're coming.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. You want me to make number 4 real fast now? All right, guys, we're gonna try to make number 4 again. Back to the building. Let's keep the Wonder Woman section. This is Wonder Woman section. And now it's time for 4, guys. Let's see how fast Bubba can do it this one.
Never mind.
What the heck is this? A toilet? What the heck?
No, not toilet.
What is this, sink?
Let's
See, I guess.
see. A poop in the pants, is that?
I'm excited to see what this is going to be, guys.
Yeah. Oh, it's the door entrance. This, Baba.
Yeah.
This is the zero.
Get back to focus mode. Come on, fast, fast.
Fast.
Nothing is impossible.
Nothing is impossible.
Just
Do it.
make your dream come true. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Now, do it.
Don't let your dreams dream. Yesterday you said tomorrow.
Yesterday was tomorrow.
Yesterday you said tomorrow.
Yesterday was tomorrow.
Alright guys, we're almost done as you can
Oh
see.
no, Zoko's stealing Batman's place.
We're almost done guys as you can see.
Zoko's stealing Batman's place, Baba.
Alright guys, we're all done with the Batman kits. And then you got the jail. And you got the Batman shooters.
Are you forgetting about me?
No, the Joker's car right here. And you got Batman here in his office.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. Eli's Lego reviews.
Lego reviews.
See you guys next time.